Namaste people, welcome to another video. I hope everyone's doing well. So today we are headed to McLeod. So rainy season, it has been hitting hard over here, continuously raining. So yeah, and just came out for a change. So what's the scene?
So today we are going to McLeod Chowk to buy accessory for my equipments, and we'll show you the chalk also. If you have not seen McLeod, it is a small city up in the hills. Not really city, but it feels like city because it is very crowded and like so. Yeah, hopefully if it is not raining, then we can shoot also. So yeah, this is the crowdy McLeod Chowk which I was talking about. But this place has these kind of beautiful shops all around, which I really love that you can see also. It is amazing to see that कि पूरी मार्केट प्लेस में बीच में एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे उसको मार्केट प्लेस से बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. So yeah, this is a Buddhist temple. Even if ये टेम्पल अगर कहीं पहाड़ों में होता तब भी वो लोग यही कर रहे होते. And in the middle of the market they do what they are doing. So it is a very unique temple because it is not somewhere in the remote area like other temples. It is in the marketplace and it is so beautiful to see this. So yeah, here we are just sitting and soaking the vibe of the temple and looking around the beautiful architecture of the temple and enjoying the market also. So yeah.
We're two rowboats drifting in circles, dancing on the quiet lake. Those striders say
If you want to find something really silent, like comparatively silent, you can check out these gullies, and these gullies are amazing to shoot.
and your hair is gold, shimmers as the minnows waltz below. Our two rowboats make their circles, trying not to separate.
ये वो वाला स्टोर है ना, वो वाला शॉप है ना.
Oh yes, you know guys, this is one of the best places where you can find good fat round dumplings. Super delicious. And yeah, it reminded me of those Kung Fu Panda, the way he gulps down those fat momos. So guys, we did not find what we were looking for. I think now we are finally free. And what do you think? Should we go to Dharamkot?
चलो.
you know you're in Dharamkot when you spot this tea shop over here. It's called the Himalayan Tea Shop, and it's one of our favorite places in Dharamkot. They serve some really good chai and parathas. It is one of the best places here, and over the years I've been like coming to Dharamkot, and I've even lived here, and this was like all the time my go-to place.
2-3 churches. Thank you.
So since we are here, we just thought of walking towards the jungle. यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा देवदार ट्रीज है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा एक ट्रेल भी है जो गली की तरफ जाता है. सो थोड़ा सा अंदर जाने का.
ये पेड़ कितना पुराना है ना. You can know how old a tree is if you carefully look at its skin. No, the old tree has this kind of old skin, like skin which has this wrinkle thing, and the new tree, young tree has this fresh skin, you know. And one more interesting thing I'll tell you, that you can know by counting the veins on the leaf of a tree or a plant, that if it is a female or a male plant. See, if you look here, this leaf, if you count these veins, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, maybe I miscounted it, but if it is a odd number, then I think it is a male, and if it is an even number, then it is a female. But yeah, that's how you can check out if the plant is female or male, and that's pretty cool. You should not only visit Dharamkot like नीचे जाके और उधर का, वो अच्छा है, but this part is, I think, थोड़ा सा अलग है धर्मकोट से. This part is something that you must visit.
Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed your new host.
We'll be sharing more videos because we are loving हमको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे वीडियोस बनाने में, and it feels very nice to shoot and explore and travel around here. Hope you like this video and hope you all are happy and doing well in your life. So stay safe and peace to you all.
Bye for now.